Everyone, welcome back to Nutrition Made Simple, a series that we created that takes a look at ideas surrounding natural health topics, and then we break them down into easy to understand and actionable steps. My name is Brian Strickland. I'm joined today by Cady Coleman. She's the co-owner of Nutrition World. And with spring in pretty much full swing now, we've got crazy weather, we have pollen, we have some green coming back into our world, which is nice, but a lot of people are going to be focused on their spring cleaning checklist. And we would advocate to make a change in your cleaner area. Most of what we're buying from the big box stores are going to be filled with harsh chemicals that can even be unsafe at some point. And so we've got two options that we sell here at the store that are natural alternatives. They're non-toxic. They're great. But with that being said, I'm going to let Cady talk for just a second about what each of these is and, what is so special about them.
Yeah, definitely. So Brian touched on the really big point that I wanted to make and even reiterate to you guys about cleaners. So cleaners are not just something that, it doesn't matter what chemicals are in them. It doesn't matter, as long as they work, it's fine. No. So there has been way too much research that has come out in the last decade showing the toxicity of the ingredients used in cleaners. And there is now evidence linked to higher risk of birth defects for pregnant women that are going to be around really harsh cleaners. I've gone over this so many times, but I have to say it again. Babies, when they first come into life, generally, when they actually have looked at mothers, the placenta and the umbilical cord have found over 260 chemicals before the baby even entered the world. And a big group of them are household cleaners. And so that goes on and shows you that it's not just something that goes in the air and then disappears. It goes into our skin, into our olfactory system, through our lungs. So it goes on a much deeper level than what we may just assume. So I really encourage you to start thinking about what cleaners you're using in your home. For my family, these are two actual brands that I adore. So the brand of Branch Basics and then the brand of Attitude. Attitude is made up in Canada, and they're just a really outstanding company. They go above and beyond in all areas, and they're transparent. They say they're inspired by nature, and I do believe that. The cleaners within them are all coming from a natural source. So I have looked into each ingredient, verified it through EWG, that favorite environmental working group that I always refer to. This is their actually specific bathroom cleaner. So for the toilets, the tile in the shower, the sink, all of that. And they make a wide variety of products. So they make a kitchen cleaner, they make a toilet, they make a laundry detergent if we're going to go into that area. They actually have skincare and all sorts of things.
Right, shampoos, conditioners, the whole bit.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, totally. And then Branch Basics. So if you were to look at the price point, it is a little bit higher. The reason is it's a concentrate. So it says it right here on the label. It's a plant and mineral-based concentrate, all-purpose. This is no joke. This bottle lasts my family 9 months, and we do a weekly cleaning of the house on Saturday or Sunday, whatever day it may fall, but that's of cleaning the bathrooms, so including the toilets, the sinks, our hardwood floors we clean with this, our kitchen counters, every day clean the kitchen counters, our big sink in the kitchen, we do dishes every day in there, so we're always cleaning it after that. Did I miss anywhere else? Honestly, every surface of my home, we use Branch Basics. I will touch on these do not have scents on them. So they're not going to have this fragrant scent that you may be kind of associating with cleanliness or cleaning. Scents are not doing any cleaning. They're only covering up. They're only kind of blocking your nose to think that you're cleaning. They're really not. I'm not a big fan of scents. If you really needed to add something, I have heard of people oftentimes adding a couple drops of essential oil onto something. I've heard of people making up a spray bottle for their kitchen counters with this cleaner, and you'd follow the directions on the side, diluting it with water, and then actually it's a good amount of water, just a little bit of concentrate, and then a couple drops of essential oil if you really needed to have that fragrance.
Yeah, perfect. That's awesome. So two natural options. These are non-toxic for all your spring cleaning needs. And they're great. They're great products, and we can't recommend them highly enough. So that's going to wrap it up for this week. We're going to keep it short and simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this and you want to see more videos like it, like and subscribe, hit the notifications, all that good YouTube stuff. That really helps us out and gets the word out. So thank you so much for joining us today. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time on Nutrition Made Simple.